how diligent I am with the job work. I show them how respectful I am, that I will learn how to communicate with them. I talk to them as not just an employee, as a family who always there to guide, support them, and to understand their needs. At the same time, also my way of developing them, being able to at least achieve more in doing. Well, people have different characteristics of the problem. That is also one big thing that employers will be asked when they interview an applicant, because attitude really counts. Because an employee should have a positive attitude in their work. And there are a lot of problems that we discover, for example, that there is an employee who has an attitude. Of course, even if you try to teach them, is motivated by their output is so negative. It is very hard for them to learn and to grasp what we are trying to tell them, so that they can put earn the one thing. And some of them, if they are not in watch, they tend to neglect the work relationship. It is always positively counts the most. So I am definitely an employee that should be adopted in all the family. But however, some of them gonna do things as they are doing. He said, different people, different areas, different things. But just the way, it's